Hear it, hear it, hear it. Hear it, hear it. May bago tayong pipe na nakakabit. Hear it, hear it. Mamaya pakita ko sa inyo kung ano. Let's just listen first. How is it? Whoa, 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 whoa. Team Conejo. Hinahanap akong Team Conejo. It's a bike shop. It's a motorcycle parts shop. Slow down, less. Team Conejo. Mayroong yellow, bakalera. Pares. Saan ba? Chico Pansit. Wala ko makita. Good, nice. Ewan. Saan yung Conejo na yan? Hindi natin ma-up si Conejo, so let's just move on. Listen to the pipe. It's a new pipe. It's a iba to sa naka-install natin previously. We had AR, we had Acra, and this one. Later, I'll show it to you later. In a little while. Just give me a minute. Again? Hindi ako naka-move forward. Backward. Kasi hinahanap ko pa rin si Team Conejo. Shit na yun. AR was good. Acra was better. This one is. Ow! Ano ba? Why? Ay, nag-signal ah. Anong meron? Anong meron? Oh shit! Shit! Oh my god, nag-U-turn to. Yung mga U-turn talaga, no? Kasi naman mabibilis eh. Oh shit! Oh my god! Ayoko na! Outside tayo, outside. Okay lang. Masaya naman akong sundan sila lahat. So how is the pipe? How is it? How is it? It's awesome, right? It's better, way better. Way better than, as I mentioned, Acro was good. Hey, no, as I mentioned, AR was good. Acro was better. This one is. What about next? Ako naman talaga dito. Bomba! Bomba daw! Bomba! Kaya ko to. Kaya ko to. Nag-exercise ako para dito. Ayos daw yung pipe, diba? Awesome. Here it is. That's Yoshi, my friend. Pwesto, walang pwesto. Ayan na siya, oh. That's Yoshi. 54mm. Nung ginawa namin to, pinilit ko siya dito, eh. Kasi hindi talaga pwede. Kasi yung bracket niya, yan. So design talaga siya dito sa peg. Pero how is it? How is it looking? Sikip. Yan. So yung tunog natin kanina ay Yoshi Alpha T. Whew. So tatlo na yung pipe natin. AR and AR, Acra, and Yoshi. So I'm thinking keeping this pipe. So yung rear set ko yung problema. Hindi ko magamit yung rear set ko dito. So pag-isipin natin ko, let go natin to for another project, or balik na si Acra, or let's keep this one and huwag natin ikabit yung rear set. Yan na, diba? Awesome. Whee!